everyone, my name is Ahmad bin Azmi, and today I will talk about the ANC headphone. Today world seems to be getting busier and noisier with every passing day. Increasingly, it is becoming more and more difficult to find peace and quiet. How this headphone will help you to solve this problem? What is ANC headphone? Before I start, let me explain about the ANC term. ANC, a technical term, stands for Active Noise Cancelling. This is new technology that designed to counteract problem noise, causing both noises to effectively cancel each other out. So you don't hear anything. You can then choose what you wish to hear. It's one of the benefits. But what are other benefits for this product? Firstly, many people listen to music at high volume so they can replicate the noise cancellation effect. If your music is thunderous, then the rest of the world goes away. That's how some of you think. But this is very bad habit for us because it will adversely impact our hearing over time. So, ANC headphones will allow you to hear fuller, more vibrant sounds at a very healthy volume level for your hearing. The distortion that occurs when the volume is set too high will disappear, allowing you to hear the intended variation of each composition without background interference. Secondly, when you travel on an airplane or a bus, then the outside noise can be disturbing. The sounds from the engines or the road can be as loud as the music turned up way too high in an older pair of headphones. But with ANC technology will reduce the impact of these sounds, reduce audio distractions, and allow you to remain focused on whatever task lies before you. You can take advantage of this benefit without playing any audio through the headphones. The noise cancellation feature will actively reduce annoying sound whenever you turn on the equipment. And last, an ANC headphone are not just for those who want to appreciate their favorite music without distraction. It is also will help students from high school or university to stay focused on studying, writing the thesis, or getting assignment done without being distracted from their surroundings. Maintaining concentration level for students can be very challenging, and also it might be impossible when there are excessive noises in the background, like something leaf blower or maybe maintenance works next your door. So with this ANC headphone, this problem can be solved easily since it will block out the bothersome audio to help you retain more information, and also will help your brain to process data more efficiently. I think that's all from me. Thank you.